Hi everyone, welcome back to another video. And today I am here in my home, and I make a video. I want to share my last trip related to Chandigarh, related to my business trip, related to my business meeting. So, like one May at morning, I went to Chandigarh for my meeting for my business meeting purpose. Then I reached there early morning, but I was totally late because my train was delayed. Reached
बोलता रहा.
reached Chandigarh, and but I was late because of my train was delayed. And then after reaching Jirakpur, I booked my cab. Then I went to hotel from by cab. Then I reached hotel and I take bath. I had bath then, and then I take some rest. Then I take some rest. Then I take some rest, and because that time I was totally tired, and I feel very tired and like थके हुए tired ही होता है tired. Then I take some rest, and but after one day, after 1 to 2 days, after one day, then like related to 3 May, then I I and my another two brother, we went to business meeting related to my trading business. As you know, I am doing trading and investing, so that's why we went to business meeting. Then I all lecture and attended all meeting. Then we come back our hotel, and we take our lunch, and we take our after. Then we went to Jaipur. We explored the city. Then we stayed Jaipur 2 to 3 days, and I messaged in Telegram channel because if anyone from Chandigarh, they can meet with me and they can message me, then we can make a video related to English improvement, like real life conversation. Then I received a message related to. Then I received a message. The person name is Punit, and he is from Kharar, nearby Jirakpur. And he messaged me, brother, I am from Chandigarh, and can we meet up? So then we went to his flat, and then I met with him, and we discussed on like business, and we discussed on English improvement, we discussed on multi things. And then I then we come back to our hotel, and then we stayed like 2 to 3 days. And after 2 to 3 days, I come back my home. But I am not consistent at that time because this journey is very long. Because I went to 1 May, and after then I come back, and then I come back like 6 to 7 May. So I think it's a long process. So that's why I am not consistent, and I don't posted any video on my YouTube channel in these days. So now I am consistent, and yes, so that is my last trip. Yes.
Okay, so it was all about his last trip, and you must be thinking that what I am writing on the notebook. So I was just noting down all the mistakes he makes while speaking, which is related to the past tense mostly, which I catched while he was speaking. Okay, so I'm going to highlight all those mistakes, and let me know if you also were able to, catch those mistakes when he was narrating. Okay, so it's not I am in home, it's like I'm at home.
I'm at home.
Okay. Another, you said on 1 May, or you didn't use on, you simply say 1 May. It should be
1 May.
on 1st May.
Okay.
On 1st May. 1st
On 1st
May.
May. Hmm.
Yeah, on we have to use. Okay. Reach morning there. Simply you said it should be reached
Raised.
In the morning.
Hmm.
Reached in the morning. In the morning already I have told you multiple times. It should be in the morning, in the evening, in the afternoons. I reached there in the morning.
Hmm.
Okay, in the morning around 6, 7, whatever. This is how you can structure the sentence. Now, I take bath should be I took a bath.
I took a bath.
I took a bath. You changed it and you said had bath. Should be also I had bathed, because had plus verbs third form. Now bathe is the verb, bath is a noun. So if you're
Okay.
using bath, then you have to use an article there.
Article,
Okay,
yeah.
I took a bath
I
or
took a
I
bath.
bathed. Okay, then I take some rest is fine. You can say I took some rest. That also you can say, but I had some rest is more appropriate.
More natural.
Natural, yes.
Yeah.
I had some rest.
Mhm.
Okay, in the afternoon. Then I am do trading. Can you just correct that? I am do trading.
I'm doing trading.
Okay, that is also okay. I am doing trading, but simply you can say I'm into trading.
I'm into trading. Yeah.
Okay, I am into trading. Like I'm into books, I'm into yoga, whatever you do. You can simply say I'm into trading. Okay, or I'm a trader. That also you can say I'm exploring the different field, which is trading. Different ways of saying the same thing. We take our lunch. Can you improve that? We take our lunch.
We took our lunch.
Or we had lunch together.
We had
More
lunch
natural.
together. Yeah.
We had lunch together. Okay. We discussed on business. We discussed on English.
Discussed.
Okay, yeah, we discussed related to English, that you can say. Or if you want to say use on preposition, you can simply say we reflected on
Yeah.
the process of learning English. We reflected on the current business that I am into. This is how you can say. Reflected on is one, or simple is like we talked about the business, or we talked about the process of learning
Yeah.
English, the ways of improving English, the methods which I am using and are helping people. Then you said I don't post these days.
I didn't post.
I didn't post for
I
last few
didn't
days.
post.
Few days. Use a few days.
Few days.
For the last few days, I didn't post anything, but from now I'll try to be active on
Be
YouTube.
consistent.
Be consistent is repetitive. Mostly people always say consistent, consistent. You can simply other ways. I would try my level best to be active from now onwards
Active,
on
yeah.
YouTube. That also you can say. Okay, because consistency, yes, for learning also English we are using already. I have to be consistent when it comes to learning English. So being on YouTube, you can say I'm an active user of YouTube. Okay, active content creator on YouTube. That also you can say. Okay, so this is how I noted down a few mistakes, and I hope that you also learn from these mistakes, and this is how you gradually improve. The major thing is that you have to focus on these things now. When you edit a video, note down these mistakes that you made, and you have to deliberately use in the morning, in the afternoon, reflected on, talked about chunks. These a few words together when we learn, these are collocations or chunks. So instead of just going with words like simple word, learn them with two or three words with preposition, article. Like I took a bath, take a bath. Take a bath is a collocation. So if you learn as it is, take a bath, you would not make mistake of missing that article which is a. I took a bath. You would not say I took bath, because you have practiced I take a bath. Okay, so this is how you have to note down these things, and then you have to practice it on. Okay, yeah.
Okay. That's it for today. We will see you in the next video. Till then, take care. Bye
Bye
bye.
bye.